ARC USDT Overview. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. The cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support this channel's growth. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, approximately a month between take-profit targets. Entry levels, 0.4044 to 0.4656. Take-profit targets. Target 1, 0.7140. Target 2, 0.7969. Target 3, 0.8879. Target 4, 0.9838. Target 5, 1.1678. Stop level, 0.2460. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Observe carefully. Avoid rushing. Trade using simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price. This will help protect your profits and limit your losses if the market trend changes. Be sure to enter after a pullback.